how to check your PNC account balance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So can we quickly check your PNC account balance using the mobile app? Well, let me show you how you can do it. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PNC Mobile app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you will land on the account summary page, and here you will see a list of all your accounts like checking, savings, credit cards and more. And there, right next to each account name, your available balance and your current balance will be displayed. And there you just have to tap on any account to see a detailed breakdown including recent transaction and pending items. And that's it. That's how you can easily check your PNC balance on the go. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.